Everybody, today we're going to be creating a custom web page using Google Docs. I want to show you what I've got so you can see, and I'm going to have some other tutorials that kind of tie in with this. So here's what I've created. I'm going to show you using another browser that's not my browser. So this is what it would look like for anyone else going to it. There's buttons you can click. You can go to the other pages. I made some custom navigation. You can see that I have these custom buttons across the top. And you can click on those, or you can click on the text. It does the same thing, and it takes you to the page, and it's the same across the pages. I like how it looks. It's very, very basic, very simple, but it's the start of a website. And the components that go into making this are very basic. I made buttons in a program called Pixel Art, and I make links doing hyperlinking. So I'm going to show you how to do the hyperlinking right now. Hyperlinking is great. So, for example, really cool content. When I click on that, it goes to my videos page. I could link to anywhere I want, anything I want. My YouTube channel, Mr. Gau's YouTube channel. You click on that, it goes to my YouTube channel. How do we do that? Okay, well, hyperlinks. So, how do the hyperlinks work? You highlight any object or you select an image. So, for example, this image, I'm going to go back to my Google Docs now. Okay, I'm in my Google Docs. And inside my Google Docs, because this is my Google Doc, I can change or edit links. I'm going to just take the word stuff, okay? And I'm going to link to my music page. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy a link. And it could be any link. I can go to my YouTube channel, and let's say I want to copy this page where people come see my videos, or a specific video, like how to screenshot on a Chromebook. So I'll go to my how to screenshot on a Chromebook video. You can copy the link up here if you want, or I like to use the share link. It's a cleaner link. So I click the share button on YouTube, or you can, again, you can copy the link at the top of the browser like that. It's very similar, but the share button will be nicer. It's taking really long. So I'm going to just skip that. I'm just going to copy Control C. Okay. Close that. Go back to my home page. And I'm going to highlight the word stuff. I'm going to press Control K. You can also hit this little link button. You'll see that there's a shortcut there that says Control K is the shortcut. I like using the shortcut. Then you're going to paste Control V. So to copy is Control C, paste is Control V. Okay. So I paste it, I apply it. Now there's a link. And now when I click that link, it's going to go to that video. And you can even see a little thumbnail of that video, little screenshot of it. And it's taking a little time to load, but there it is. So that's how you do links in a Google Doc. Now, if you want to link an image, like let's say you make a graphic, I made these little graphics. So to do that, you just click on it, press Control K, and then you can place a link. Now, if you already have a link, you can click on it and edit that link. So I'm going to click on it again, apply. I can click on it and I can say copy the link. I can edit the link. So if I want to copy it to something else, like the word words, I can copy that link, go to the word words, press Control K, Control V to paste, and I'm pasting that link to the music page. So now I've got like all kinds of links on my page. You can link to anything, any object or text. So that's how you do hyperlinks to create a web page in Google Docs.